Yes guys, what is happening? Welcome back to the channel. You can see from the state of my hair, it's pretty early. Today's going to be a bit of a different one for you. Not so much on the car subject, but it's more sort of a vlog really. And an update on what I'm going to do to my unit. I'm going to try and clean up this workshop completely and have a little change around. So I thought, do you know what, bit of content for you, if anyone who is interested, or if anyone likes following the channel and the vlog side of things. Let's go see how this turns out, to be honest with you, because it's pretty much a tip in here. Looking around it needs a good tidy. And obviously I've got the VXR to finish, and I've got an engine that I'm building to finish, and obviously I've got mine to work on. I've got quite a few things, but I'm waiting for parts to turn up. So without them parts, I'm stuck frozen solid. So I thought, you know what, might as well just give the place a good tidy. And now let me show you the sort of mess we're working in. Right, so as you enter the unit, this is what you're going to see. So look at the state of it. Everywhere. There's parts everywhere. So that's a rubbish pile I'm going to start making, take to the bin in a minute. I want to clean all these up, make these all nice and neat, have a little bit of a change around, clean all that corner up, clean all of this stuff up. Yeah, basically just you can see the state of the place. It's just been done so much better, and obviously it's been a while since I've had a proper good sort out. So you obviously got this engine cover that over here is being built at the moment. There's my baby. These are some more parts for the K-swap. Anyone who's seen the Instagram post, so you got the shifter, the mounts, the base plate, the cables, the conversion harness all set out on the table ready. But yeah, look at the mess over here as well. Like I said, if you follow my videos, guys, you know I'm a messy worker, always have been. But the VXR's coming along nice, look. Oh, look at this bad boy. Oh yes, very nice. So I'm just waiting on coolant lines for this at the minute, because the coolant line supplied, they run a bit close to the turbo. So yeah, I'm a bit worried that was going to melt. So the plan is to change all these to braided. So yeah, braided coolant hoses that go to the banjos, which is obviously on the turbo. So that's what I'm waiting for on there, and a couple of other bits. But yeah, and obviously you can see the mess down here as well. That's the exhaust, the old exhaust of this. There's just mess everywhere, to be honest. Mess. So the plan today is, guys, to get this sorted nice, really. Jeez, I'm about 2 hours in. It don't look like I've absolutely done anything. This is gonna be a one mission, I'll tell you today. Whoa, honestly. Let me show you. So basically, I've moved the unit from there. So I've tidied up here a bit, changed my own toolbox, got my rubbish out on there still. And I'm having this here instead. Gonna have all my fuel fittings in there, because obviously I build a lot of fuel systems for people. So I filled up with all the fuel fittings I've got in stock. And basically, I'm just gonna tidy all this up in a minute. And then I've got to move on to this. It seems never ending, and that's just this side of the workshop. So I've got loads to throw away. The pile's getting bigger and bigger. B18 C4 head there with cams and everything. So we'll be putting up for sale for offers. So if anyone's interested, all it needs at the minute is, I don't know where the keepers have gone for the valve springs. So that's all it needs, a set of keepers at the moment, but we'll be putting it up cheap just to get rid of it. Gonna be putting up some slicks for cheap as well. They're not your proper expensive slicks, they're only the sort of the track ones. So I'm gonna be putting that up for sale soon as well. Got a spare wheel for an EP3 if anyone wants it. But yeah, I'm gonna crack on and carry on going. I just thought I'd give you an update on how it's going, but it's been an eternity just to get to here. I'm gonna keep going, guys. Do you ever in your life start one of them jobs and think, why did I start that? Bloody hell, this is gonna take ages, what I wanna do. I've been cracking away for about 4 hours now, right? Look how much is done. You're like, what the hell? So I've got this side clear to an extent. Yeah, basically, it just took me all that time to sort out every nut and bolt, every AM fitting, all my electrical stuff, and obviously some bottled stuff. Obviously nowhere near finished. So with this to do, under there to do, desk is going as well. I've started doing the electric stuff under there, obviously, yes, and where the AM fittings and white lines were. But yeah, as you can see, that is 4.5 hours worth of work today. And it's just monotonous stuff. It's, I forget the word to use, what is it? Oh, but anyway, it's a headache. So I've still got all this to sort, all this to sort over there, all this to sort over here. So yeah, you could say I got my work cut out. This is obviously all stuff to go back on this. Yeah, it's basically coming together, this, as you know. So that's going to be put to one side, nice and neat, out of the way. Just while I have a sort out, but once it's done, it's going to be worth it. But I reckon another 2 days doing this, to be honest with you. There's a day's worth of work under there alone, I reckon. And then another day here and there. So basically, days and days worth of stuff. I missed a delivery today as well, which is annoying because I needed them to crack on with some stuff. I don't even know what delivery it was. There were so many parts coming, I don't even know, but I missed a delivery for something. But yeah, unit's going to be nice once it's done, nice and spacious. I'm going to get rid of loads of stuff. So if you do follow the channel, just keep an eye out on the Facebook page and obviously my Instagram page. And yeah, once I post that up, there's going to be, like I said, the C4 head, there's going to be inlets, K20 inlets, stock B-series inlets, mounts, sensors, slicks. It's just an absolute mixed bucket of loads of bits for sale that are going to be going, just basically taking off on them all because I need them gone. If they don't go within a week or two, they'll be going in the bin. So yeah, and obviously people want them. If they cover postage, I don't mind sending some stuff. Obviously, if it's going to be worth my time. If it's not, I'll just skip it and get rid of it all. That's going to wrap it up today for this side of the video. I'm going to carry on filming tomorrow to make it all in one video. I've got to take the dogs to the vets today, get a jab so I can take her for a walk. And then back tomorrow. So I'll be filming again tomorrow. Alright guys, second day back at it in the old unit. I've been here about 10 minutes. It's probably about 12 o'clock now. And obviously the reason I'm late is because I've had my kids all morning. So I'm just going to show you the screamer pipe with the VXR I've quickly done. So screamer pipe's done, out the bonnet. All done, all nice. Looks lovely, doesn't it? I'm joking, I just put it there for the time. So helper number 1. And lazy helper number 2 over there. So yeah, just going to finish tidying up this area today, and then finish off this and this stuff over here. So I want to try and get all this bit done today, and then I'll crack on with that tomorrow. So days worth of stuff, days and days. Let's get to it. All right, since that last clip, this is rolling. This is the 3rd day of doing this unit. Mind you, yesterday I was only here for a couple of hours. As you can imagine, I'm a little girl's me, so I couldn't get as much done as I wanted. But bless them, they did help me a bit. And obviously, time with them is more important than anything. So, let me show you this mess at the moment. You're thinking, I thought you was tired in it. Look at the state of this, you ready? Still absolutely plugging away, guys. Hours later, I've been here another 6 hours today. I think the tedious part is sorting all the little bolts, the little AM fittings, blah, 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 paperwork, bits, spare parts, spare rubbish, big rubbish pile. Yeah. So, yeah, it's just taking a while. But this is how it's coming on. I think this is going to be the last clip I'll show you before the finished article. But I just thought I'd give you a bit of footage and just give you the idea I'm looking at now. So as you can see, still bits of rubbish on the floor. Actually going to be doing a car boot sale soon. So things like brand new boots I've never worn, they're going to be going. jack stuff, electrical stuff. Yeah, basically just bits like that. So that's why some parts are still scattered everywhere. Yeah, this is obviously this side of things. Yeah, so got all my stuff to wash my car there. Got my desk stuff there. Got where I build my engine here. Obviously it's well away from all the fabrication stuff. It was a bit closed before, I weren't happy about it. Obviously, you know, when you build an engine, you need it as clean as possible. So this is, to be honest with you, that's the main reason I've changed the place around, because obviously it was fabricating on my table there, right next to where I build engine. Very clever work. Obviously I weren't fabricating at the same time, but you know what I mean? It shouldn't be near each other. So I've moved it as far away as possible as I could. But yeah, so that's how we're looking at the moment. Got to finish off little bits over here. We've got spare parts bin under there. A lot of stuff's going to be up for sale later on. If you watch the channel, obviously make sure you like my page, and obviously like the Instagram page. I'm going to post it all up there. B18 C4 crank with a sponge shell, ECUs, shifter cables, mounts, dizzies, loads of sort of bits going to be cut out. Head, as I said before. There's gonna be more parts over there for sale. There's a grill under there. There's just, yeah, loads of stuff for sale. But yeah, this is my rubbish pile. So once that goes, my bin's full up here. So as soon as that's empty, I'm gonna be whacking all that in the bin, and that'll be clear. Trailer's gonna be getting repaired from, I don't think next week, maybe the week after. So that's gonna be up for sale. So it's, well, I say repaired. There's nothing wrong with it. It drives fine and things like that. But obviously I want to spruce it up a bit and make it a bit better looking for sale, and obviously it's going to be ready to go. Will be coming with straps, obviously a tow board and everything. It'll be fine to go. So if anyone's interested in that, drop me a message beforehand, and obviously once it's done I'll keep you posted. But yeah, this is where I'm at the moment. So I'm going to finish off, guys. Once it's done I shall show you the finished article. I can't wait for it. Let me crack on. All right guys, so it's the next day. And I'm happy to say the unit is finally finished. Well, 99.9%. The reason that it's not 100% is I've got the rubbish pile that I've got to dump as soon as my bin's clear. But it's like a skip size bin, so it's all gonna go in there in one hit. But let's show you the unit and how it's finished. I'm happy that I've got some space, and happy that I've finally done that and got rid of so much stuff. But yeah, let's have a look. So there is space all around now. That is just all rubbish that's going. The bins get empty today, but I'll be leaving before the bins get empty because they get empty quite late. So Monday I'll come back and that'll go in the bin. But yeah, got everything done over here. Engine building table. All of this under here will be going as well. Everything under there is for sale. If it does not sell within a week or two, in the bin. These will be going soon as well, because it's going on the trailer. Gonna get some new tyres and paint the wheels, get the wheels nice and fresh. So that'll be going for sale with the trailer. Obviously the same with them. That'll be going with the trailer and the tow board. So obviously got all storage space now. Obviously got my engine ready to go, and the project starting very soon. But obviously I wanted this place tidied up first. I want other things done first. But yeah, look, space. Looks a bit knotted up over here, but I know what's on there if it's brand new. Obviously spare couplers, clamps, whatever. Got electrics at the bottom, got behind that, got AM fittings, AM piping, sorry. Big box of bolts, brackets, and a couple of other miscellaneous items. My brand new bits for my case swap. Spare parts bin under there. Everything, obviously batteries, there's B series, K series, D series, everything under there. So you can see how it's tidied up over here. Obviously all this stuff has been done. So yeah, chuffed for the unit now, to say the least. I've got a load of tools and everything. All that's not tidy. I've got a new toolbox going to be coming on Monday, a bigger one, so I can sort of get that set up a bit better. Obviously down this side is just the stuff for the VXR. So this will be getting finished as soon as the coolant lines turn up, which I think they'll be later today. I want to finish this off on Monday. Ready for the point for my fabricator to come down, obviously do the screamer pipe, and he's got to adapt the down pipe as the flange is different. So, and obviously we all know my welding. My weld is that, and obviously it does the job, but it's not pretty. We need some pretty welds for this proper car. So yeah, we're gonna have some nice welds for that. And then that will be done. This will be out. Before I start mine, I will be doing the trailer. I don't know if I'm gonna bother doing any footage on that. We'll see. But obviously all the areas all nice and tidy over here. Got my little girl's quad bike there. Yeah, so everything is tidy. Gonna be giving away some wheels to someone. I'm gonna put them on Facebook. If anyone wants them, they can have them. Only with a charge. Tyres are shot on them, but obviously 4x100. But yeah, so much more space. I don't look at it in a minute because of obviously that, because I've got a car in there. But once obviously that car's finished, I'll get a proper look around, and you'll see how much more room I've got. So much better. Actually, gonna enjoy being here more now. So, well, if you haven't been bored and you've stayed to the end of this video, I appreciate it. I know you're true OG followers and obviously your subscribers. But yeah, I'm just showing you sort of the unit, because obviously I've got plans for the winter. I do want to get the floor painted, and I want to get a ramp in the middle. I'm going to raise the roof a bit because I've looked at the roof underneath, and yeah, I've got room under there. So I'm going to try and raise it up about 4 foot if I can. That should be more than enough. And then yeah, once the ramp's in, it'll be so much more easier to do stuff. And all I'm going to have is, I said, a spacious workshop with a ramp in the middle and nice clean floor, and then obviously space all the way around it. So, and then obviously if I need to, worst comes to worst, have 2 cars in here, I'll move one of the benches, and then I'll put the ramp directly in line with it so that I can pull one car forward and have the other car behind it. So, because obviously I know some people park the cars under the ramps, things like that, but I just got a bit of anxiety about that. So yeah, I said maybe I won't in the future, but at the moment I don't really fancy doing that, just in case anything happened. But yeah, I said, so if you've stayed through the whole video, thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. The next couple of videos should be a bit better. I said the next ones, I don't know if I'm going to do any on the trailer yet. I'm going to have a think about it. Because obviously some people do like the vlog style one, some people don't. Some people just want to see car racing action, tuning, mapping and building cars. So I'm not sure if I'm going to vlog everything, but I'll have a think about it and see the response of you guys basically. But I'm going to get some more stickers in as well, because I've got a few people asking. And then yeah, I'll let you know when they're on the eBay account or whatever, and I'll keep you updated on the Instagram and Facebook page. Make sure if you're looking for any parts, I said I've put them up on my Facebook page and the Instagram page. Nothing special in there, just little, I said odds and sods. I said if they don't sell, I've put on their offers mainly on most of it. If they don't sell, it's going to go in the bin. So I'm just trying to help people out really to get a cheap fix for their car, or cheap parts for their car, whatever. Not for me, to be honest with you. I couldn't care about them, I'll chuck them away. But at the same time, people are like, why ain't you for free then? Well, I'm not being funny, you could have them for free, but you got to pay for my time to go and post and blah, blah, blah. So there you go. But yeah, I said, like, subscribe, share, guys. Next couple of videos are going to be banging. I'll see you again soon.